plant stem cells are one thing. What we have is herbal extracts that trigger the release of your own stem cells. So they're completely two different class of compounds or products. Plant stem cells were developed 25, 30 years ago at a time when we did not know that our own stem cells can do what they can do today. So we relied on external sources. Some come from apple, from different sources, but obviously if you consume apple stem cells, you don't want to have an apple brain. So they do the same thing as fish or sheep stem cells. They provide growth factor. That's how they work. So we work completely differently. These are plants that will trigger the release of your own stem cells. And if the benefits have touched 2, 3, 4 different systems, like the heart, the lung, the liver, the pancreas, then I'm interested to test for that plant. And that tells me it's likely that the common denominating factor is a stem cell effect. And that's how I have identified so far all the plants that I'm working with. It's through that process.